Hello, this is Ishan. This is my first assignment. Starting with, I have my name, date, and class number here. The first assignment is simple mathematics. Adding a value. I have variable x, adding it 1. The second one is having a floating point, so I have 3.0 and I'm adding 1 to it, printing the value 3 and 4.0. The next one is finding Pythagorean theorem. For that, I am importing a library from math called square root. I'm initializing 3 variables x, y, z as 2, 3, 4, printing those values, printing individual squared values x into x or y into y, z into z, which is nothing but x square, y square or z square. I'm saving the result of some of these values in a variable called o and I'm printing those out. So as you can see in the output, the sum of squared is 29 and the square root is 5.38. The next one is the input function, where we are asking the user for input value between 1 and 10. For that, I am using a while loop which is infinitely true, which is while 1. We ask the user the value using the input command, and depending on the response, if the response is not in the range of 1 to 10, I will keep on asking them the response, keep on asking them the question. So here is the sample output where the first time user enters a value 11, which is not possible. So I keep on asking him the same question until he answers a good value, which is 3, and then I give the output result. Moving on, the next one is LCM. Finding LCM is pretty much the same thing, using the same logic as while 1. Keeps on going on forever. And we have mathematics formula, mathematical operation, which using the iterator to calculate the LCM. As soon as I have the LCM true, I quit from the loop and I print the value. The next thing is the chatbot. I'm using simple prints for the first chatbot, and in the second chatbot I'm using a while with nested if-else loops. Second chatbot is quite similar to the first one from the point of view that once the input is 3, once the input is taken based on how much a user likes Mondays, if it is less than 3, I say I'm sorry you hate it that much, otherwise I say hope it gets better. So initially I have the name enter as Ishan, so it prompts out hello Ishan, please enter the city you live in, which is random city ASDF, and then please rate how much you like Mondays. So currently I have given the input number 5, so it goes into this side which says not that bad, hope it gets better. So this is the video YouTube recording. I will upload it on YouTube and hopefully it gets through. Thanks.